Hi, today we'll be actually looking into how we can actually manage our stock return from your supplier in Autocount. A common mistake our users tend to make would be manually adjusting the stock receipt note or the purchase invoice. This is not correct as it shows that the system was implemented wrongly and there was no proper controls in place. This will allow users to actually manipulate your accounts and then hence giving you a inaccurate stock value. So before I can actually show you how we can actually do this properly, we will need to first identify what is the status you are returning the stock in. So let's say if you are receiving a DO only, you will have to come here. So let's say if you only have received a goods received note, we come here to purchase, then we come here into a goods return. However, if you receive this return at invoice level, then we will need to come here to purchase return. So let's do an example right now. Let's say we do a goods received note. We press new. Select our vendor. So let's say DEF. Select the product. Coming in here, say sprinkler heads. And then we say I receive pieces at $10 per piece. Alright. So of course we have to make sure that we have key in our DO number, DO 12345, and then once you're done, we save. So based on this example, we have already received the DO and we have entered this as a GRN. So let's say now you realize that there are some stocks that are defective and you want to return it back to the particular supplier. All you just need to do is come to purchases, come here to goods return, press new, select DEF, transfer from goods received note here. Then you can see your goods received note here. We can do a partial transfer. Click here and we can say, okay, out of the 200 pieces, 10 are defective. We press 10, press OK, and then we press save. Alright, so that's for stock return at DO level. So let's say now we have our GRN ready and then we have converted this into an invoice. So let's say we come to purchase invoice, press new, press DEF. So of course we will transfer document from GRN. So you will see just now we actually received 200 but we returned 10 pieces. So now we left 190 pieces. So let's say our vendor invoices us for the 190 pieces. Press OK, then we press save. Okay, so make sure that you have key in your supplier invoice number. So put IB12345. Once done, you just press save. Right, so after they sent you the invoice, then you realize another 10 units are defective. So we now cannot come into goods return, but we need to come into a purchase return. So let's say it's a purchase return. We click here, we press new, select our vendor, DEF. Now we press transfer document from purchase invoice. So you can see here 190 pieces. I say out of this I got 10 defective. Press OK, and then this shows you a return of 10 quantity. So you will see there's a box check here. So if for example the stock isn't returned but exchanged, then we just uncheck here, so then your stock will show it correctly. Alright, so once you're done, we just press save and yes. Okay, so I hope you find this video helpful. Leave a comment below to let us know what other topics you'd like us to cover. Click the like and subscribe button to get notified when we release a video every week. Thank you.